Unlock the power of Gemini Pro without spending a dime a circumflex euros. Here's how. Google's Gemini Pro is incredibly powerful. And while it's a premium AI, there are legitimate ways to explore its capabilities for free. Let's dive in. First, and often the most straightforward method, is to check for official Google promotions or trial periods. Google frequently offers limited-time free access to its latest AI models, allowing you to experience Gemini Pro firsthand. Simply visit the official Google AI website or search for Google Gemini Pro free trial. Keep an eye out for banners or announcements directly from Google. These trials are typically designed to give you a taste of the full features. Beyond temporary trials, Google sometimes offers a free tier for its AI services. While this might have some limitations compared to the full Pro version, it's still an excellent way to get started. Check the pricing or Get Started sections on the Google AI platform for any available free plans. Education is another fantastic avenue. Many universities and educational institutions work with Google to provide students and faculty with access to advanced AI tools for research and learning. If you're a student, inquire with your institution's IT department or your professors about such programs. Now, this is crucial. Always verify the legitimacy of any offer. Be extremely wary of websites or individuals claiming to offer free, unlimited access to Gemini Pro through unofficial means, downloads, or requests for personal information beyond what's necessary for an official sign-up. These are very often scams designed to steal your data or infect your devices. Stick to official Google channels and known educational partners. If an offer sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is. By staying vigilant and utilizing legitimate channels, you can harness the incredible power of Gemini Pro without breaking the bank.